Gotcha.
No, you let it lock on that right there.
Yeah, that little hook over there. And you push
If
this
it's right
little
here,
lever
just
right
push
here.
up. It's just my opinion.
What do
You
you
push
come on
to the
that
side.
side? What do you come on that side?
Yeah. And then you just take the patient in.
Can we see that again?
You take the patient in.
Can we see that again?
Oh yeah. Let's say, can you say that? Who wants to try it?
All right.
Try which one?
All right, go.
Loading the ambulance.
So,
Here's part. Right. No, it's actually at the level of just putting it in right now. Okay, so you want to make sure it's locked. All right, then you get on that side or that side, whichever side.
it has a little lever.
On your count of 3, grab those and pull it up.
Ready?
Yeah.
There's a lock on the hinges.
Pull that to the side.
Well, to the side, not up. Just to the side.
All right, 1.
1, 2, 3. Oh, no.
No.
Right here. 1, 2, 3.
Pull it. Because that's not the weight of the patient. It's just the weight of the wheel. So you'll be all right.
That's how you load the patient.
That's how you load the patient.
That's perfect.